If you've got one of these larger welders, you'd know that it's pretty hard to find a welding trolley for a reasonable price that will fit the sheer length of one of these. This was like an eBay welding card, or maybe from Total Tools or somewhere, but I had to fold up this sheet of alloy to replace this top tray. And you can see the sheer amount of extension that's coming out of there. But it's been getting the job done for a couple of years, but when I bought another one, which happens to be the Unimig Razor 200 Pulse, if you want to see the unboxing and initial welds with this, I'll throw a card up in the corner here. I needed another trolley and thought I'd go for a bigger one. This one is the WTC-800 Tri-Cart multi-machine welding trolley from Hare Forbes Machinery Warehouse. It can hold 3 machines, adjustable shelves. This one's got 2 positions. The middle's got 3 positions. All the dimensions are online. I'll link it down in the description. But yeah, I thought this would be the only option really. It's only $313 delivered, including GST. 58 of that ex-GST was the delivery. Yeah, can't go wrong. You really can't build one for that. I did think about making a DIY one, but for $300 I just couldn't be bothered. The next size welding trolley to suit these big machines is like $700 or $800, I think. So yeah, I figured this one was the go, and I thought I may as well share it in case anyone's got the same problem. My plasma cutter was just sitting over in the corner of the workshop, didn't have a spot for that, so I figured may as well whack it in there. Anyway, some basic specs. It's made out of 2mm powder coated steel, weighs in at 36 kilos. Can house 3 machines, including an E-size bottle. That's a G. It does hold it, but once it's out of gas, I'm going to downsize it. Adjustable top and middle shelves, 125mm caster wheels. Generous shelf size, 520 by 296 millimeters. Total height of 960 and 425 wide. Dual chains on the back, 4 torch and lead holders. That's about all there is to say, really. The package itself is a little bit hefty. It's 38 kilos and comes on this little wooden skid. So the delivery man was a little bit funny about it, but he managed to get it dropped off. And now I've wheeled it round into the shed. Let's get it unboxed and see what's inside. I liked the look of it online because I think this is like 2mm powder coated steel. And it had nice big caster wheels. So what I want to do with this one is be able to wheel it in and out of the shed to get around the toy hauler to actually work on things in the driveway. So I wanted something with a bit of big of a rolling diameter so it doesn't get stuck on the rock. I think they've joined the 21st century. It looks like the assembly instructions in the manual is online if you scan that QR code. So I'll have to do that. Big bag of bolts, nuts and washers, some hooks, handles, chains, accessories. Very solid. That has actually got a bit of weight to it. Very nice. That'll be the sides. See if I can look up the instructions online. There you go, nice clear instructions. Might sit down and have a bit of a read, find some tools, and then we'll crack into it and put this jigsaw puzzle together. Not too bad to put together. I highly recommend one of these 4-volt drill drivers from Bunnings. Definitely makes it a lot quicker. I need to perfect the layout though. I'm not sure where I want to put stuff. I may move the plasma to the middle and the consumables to the bottom. I don't know. The welder only just fits on here. The front feet do hang off the front, but you know, you got to go to like a $700 welding cart, I think, before you can get one big enough to suit these big 4-in-1 machines. So once I get this gas bottle sized down again, once this one empties, I think it'll be a lot more manageable, get the total weight down and get that center of gravity down a little bit just for dragging it around. So you do need to be careful, probably wheeling it out of the shed off a bit of a step, but I think that's with every welding trolley, I think. That's about it for this one. If you want to see what I'm actually building with this sort of stuff, I'll tag some videos up here at the end. Go check them out. Cheers.